Dear student, we will continue with fungi in part 2, kingdom fungi. Now we will see what is the economic importance of fungi. So fungi are widely used in food industries, medicine industries and agriculture industries. In food industries, in alcohol production, bread and cake production, cheese production, enzyme and organic acid production. In medicine, antibiotic production, vitamin production and alkaloid production. In agriculture industries as a biological control agent and in the production of certain growth hormones. So we'll discuss here the name of fungi. Whenever you are asked to write down the importance, economic importance, it is very important to write down the name of fungi and along with the name what is the significance. So Saccharomyces ellipsoides, it is used in the wine production. Saccharomyces cerevisiae used in the alcohol production. Enzymase, enzyme production. Penicillium roqueforti is used in the production of Roquefort cheese. See, if you write down that the fungi is used in cheese production, this is wrong way of presenting your answer. But you have to name the fungi, which fungi and what kind of cheese, because there are 100 of cheese and they are processed by different bacteria and fungi. So it is very important that we write down the name. So Aspergillus niger, it is used in the production of citric acid. Now it is not like that only Aspergillus niger is producing the citric acid. Beside this, there are number of other fungi which can also produce citric acid. Okay. Aspergillus oryza, it produces, used in the production of amylase. Then Penicillium notatum, used in the production of antibiotic penicillin. Acrimonium species, they are used in the production of cephalosporin. Saccharomyces cerevisiae is also used in the production of vitamin B complex. Then Claviceps purpura is used in the production of ergometrine maleate, which is an alkaloid, and LSD, lysergic acid diethylamide, which is a hallucinogenic agent. And then in the agriculture industries, Zibberella fujicorae is used in the production of gibberellic acid, which is used as plant growth hormone. Now we will discuss what are lichens, since they are symbiotically associated with fungi. So lichen are the symbiotic association of fungi with algae. The algae cells are scattered in fungal hypha. So here you see algae and fungi. So algae, they carry out photosynthesis, and this portion of lichen is called photobiont. Algae may be chlorophyta or xanthophyta. Fungi, they absorb the water and mineral from the surface of the algae. This portion of lichen is called mycobiont. Fungi may be ascomycetes or basidomycetes. Now the unique partnership permits the lichen to grow in unusual places like barren rocks, cool volcano lava, icy tundras, soil, trees, tree barks, leaves, and even in dry condition, as fungus can conserve water. Now significance. So it has both ecological as well as economic significance. Ecologic, they are known as nature's pioneer or farmer of nature. They are pioneer plants on rocky areas. They cause rock surface to crumble and secrete chemicals to rocks and give rise to rich organic matter in soil. So what they do, where there is rocks, there you can spread the lichens. These lichens will grow and spread over the rock and secrete their chemicals. These chemicals will start dissolving the rocks and release the mineral out of these rocks. So after some time, this rock is converted into soil, and on this soil other plants can grow. So who is the first one to grow on these rocks? They are lichens. So hence they are known as nature's pioneer. Then they are also indicator of pollution, because the lichen cannot grow in sulfur dioxide rich environment, so they disappear from that place. So hence they are also known as pollution indicators. Economic importance, they are used in food consumption, medicinal value they have, dyeing agent they can be used, perfumes, indicators, brewing and distilling industries. We'll discuss with the names what all lichens are used where. So Cladonia rangifernia, it is used as food for reindeers and caribou, also known as reindeer's moss. The Parmelia species, they are used as curry powder in South India, and as it is also known as rock flower. Clactonia species, they are used as antibiotic, or you can say antibiotic is derived from that and used against fever and cough. Rosella mutangini is used to treat angina, which is a heart disorder. Then Rosella and Laconera species used to dye woolen and silk fabrics. Then Rosilena tinctoria and Laceria pestulata, they are used in litmus indicator. Cladonia rangifernia is also used in the alcoholic product preparations. And Evernia prunestri, which is known as oak moss, and Ramalina species, they are used to produce the fragrance, so they are used in the cosmetic industries. This is all about the lichen. Now we will discuss mycorrhiza. Mycorrhiza is a symbiotic association of a fungi with roots of higher plant. The roots of the plant are modified to accommodate the fungus. The fungus absorbs water and mineral and nitrate from the soil and give it to the roots. Certain fungi also produces antimicrobial substance and growth promoting substance. Now how they are present, depending on that, it is known as ectomycorrhiza and endomycorrhiza. So we'll discuss one by one. Ectomycorrhiza, the fungus grows around the root surface, from the sheath around root, and this fungus is usually Basidomycetes. Fungi provide mineral nitrates by breaking down of the humus in the soil. In return, the mycelia of the fungi receives carbohydrate, vitamins from the tree. This is how both of them are benefited. The fungi also increase the surface area for the absorption, especially in the nitrogen deficient soil. So in ectomycorrhiza, the growth of the fungi is on the surface of the plant, whereas in endo it is inside the plant. So over here in endomycorrhiza, the fungus penetrates the root and grows within the cortical cell, which are called cortex. Fungus is usually Zygomycetes. The fungi growth outside the plant is not visible over here. So endomycorrhiza occur in certain woody plant and herbaceous plant like orchids. Now sometimes the fungi send temporary hyphae projection out of cortical cells. These projection may form two different structures. One is vesicle or branched mass called arbuscules. Such association are called vesicular arbuscular mycorrhiza or VAM. Now what is arbuscular? They are intricately branched hosteria in cortex cell. Hosteria, they are again, hostoria are the structures, hook-like structures, and they keep absorbing the nutrient wherever they are forming. Vesicles are storage structure formed by many fungi. VAM fungi is used as biofertilizer. So mycorrhiza allow the plant to grow in the adverse conditions. So this is the advantage of mycorrhiza in the plant, or you can say mycorrhiza as an association of plant and fungi. So this is all about kingdom fungi. Thank you.